Yo, what's happening, my people? So this video right here, gonna try and do this quickly. I don't think this is something my subscribers gonna be too crazy about, but just for random people that might be searching on YouTube or something, you might come across this, because I searched for this myself to see, and I didn't see any videos for this. This right here, I already did a jeans video and stuff, and it did pretty good. Got a couple thousand views and stuff, you did. But this right here is a different one. This is 511 Levi's Premium. So I seen some jeans like this. I've been having them on my watch list on eBay for a while, but I never pulled the trigger on them. I was in Burlington Coat Factory yesterday, and I seen these, and I was like, man, let me grab these. 16 bucks, $16.99 with $17 pretty much. So check out original MSRP. Hopefully it focuses. $128. These was $128, man. These were some premium jeans and stuff. And evidently maybe they didn't sell good. Maybe they weren't popular or whatever. But I like the look of them. So this is what they look like. So they got kind of like a patchwork look to them. And it says made with warp stretch. So I don't know. I guess it means they stretchy or whatever. Sits below waist, slim from hip to ankle. So these are supposed to be slim all the way down and stuff. So I'm gonna check out how these look. I'm 5'6". My waist is like a 29, like my right waist, like if I get fitted for a wedding or something. But if I wear 29, they tight. So I usually wear like maybe a 30, 31. These are 31, 32. So the 32 is kind of long. Like probably like a 30 is probably my perfect jean or whatever. But I like 31s because it be kind of loose. I come from the generation where we used to wear our shit big. I used to have 38s and stuff. Like crazy. But 31, these should feel pretty good. But enough of me talking. I'm going to try these on and let you know how they feel, etc. Whatever. I ain't going to do that right now. So these the jeans right here. These are what they look like. So my first indications, what I could tell you about these, I'm glad I got a 31 because the 31s feel pretty snug at the waist. So I think a 30 would have been real tight. So they fit pretty good. The thing about it, it says slim from waist to ankle. This part, the thigh part, is pretty slim. But when it gets to this part is pretty loose. It's more loose than I would like. Like I like them maybe be a little more like that maybe. But overall, it's a pretty good jean, man. Pretty good jean. Like a lot of people wouldn't mind having their jeans like this because it's not like it's boot cut or anything. So these are pretty good, like as far as like casual, like urban type settings, or you want to look or whatever. It's not necessarily patches. Like this right here is more dye. Like this is more dye or something. It's not any patches or anything. So it's nothing too special. They have little perforations, little cuts, like around this area and stuff. But nothing overall too much. But nice jean, man. $16, Burlington. Man, they had some nice ass stuff at Marshall's, man. They had a bunch of polo, that Champs hoodie, Champs sweatshirts with the Champs Champs all over them. Am I saying champion? Yeah, champion. Man, they had a lot of stuff, and I didn't pick nothing up, man. And I end up copping these at Burlington. I'm gonna have to go back to Marshall's, man. Marshall's had some shit, but yeah. So that's my little video. That's my thoughts on the jeans and stuff. Shit, if you haven't seen these, or if you have seen these, you just want to see how they fit, because I was curious of how they fit as well. That's why I did this video. But like, comment, subscribe, be the greatest or the most hated. Holla at your boy. Peace out.